If you've ever wanted to organize your Lucidspark workspace better, this quick tutorial is going to show you exactly how to add a tab in Lucidspark. This is a simple but really useful feature when you want to separate ideas, create different sections for brainstorming, or keep multiple pages of work in one place without cluttering everything onto a single board. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button. And make sure to subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into Lucid and open the Lucidspark board you want to work on. Make sure you're inside the correct project or board before you start, because the new tab or page will be added to that specific workspace. Once your board is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where Lucidspark shows your current page number, like page 1, and this area can be collapsed or expanded depending on your view. Now, to add a new tab, look right next to the page number and find the plus icon. This little plus button is what you'll use to create a new blank page. Go ahead and click it once, and Lucidspark will instantly add a new page tab to your board. This gives you another space to work in, which is great if you want to split your brainstorm into sections, create separate areas for teams, or organize notes more cleanly. After the new tab appears, you can start managing it right away. If you want to rename the tab, simply double-click the page name in the bottom corner and type in a custom title. This is helpful if you're using the board for different topics, because instead of seeing generic page names, you can label each tab based on its purpose. You can also switch between your tabs by clicking on the different page names. That makes it easy to move between sections of your board without losing your place. If you've added multiple pages, this is especially useful for keeping your workflow structured and saving time while you work. And if you need more control, double-click a page tab to bring up additional options. From there, you may be able to duplicate, delete, or reorder the pages, depending on how you want your board organized. That means you can build out your Lucidspark workspace in a way that fits your exact process, whether you're planning, collaborating, or just keeping your ideas neat. So that's how to add a tab in Lucidspark in just a few simple steps. Open your board, find the page controls in the bottom left corner, click the plus icon, and then rename or manage your new tab however you like. It's a quick trick, but it can make a big difference in how organized and productive your board feels. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.